51.11% total gain. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back, traders. Twister Pro EA today, we are reviewing Full Throttle DMX for Mount 4, a powerful automated trading system designed for. This expert advisor is optimized for parity, helping traders manage entries. Timeframe H1 built for stable and accurate trading signals. Equity $100 recommended for better risk control. Market price $699 with premium automation features. Now, a valuable $20. 51% total gain based on verified trading results. Max drawdown 23% balanced risk management approach. Inside MetaTrader, this EA automatically scans the market and executes trades in. The system includes a simple and user-friendly interface with adjustable risk settings, lot sizes. It runs fully automated, manages trades, and helps protect profits without money. Whether you are new to Forex or already an experienced Full Throttle DMX offers a powerful automated trading. Link in the description. See you the next video. Thanks for watching.